Hey everyone, super excited to have this new block, Discord/command. I know a lot of you have been asking for this. We finally managed to find a way to make this work with Boto. And like everything else in Boto, you can use with any other block that we have. You can trigger any bot with this new block, which is awesome. So what the block does basically and how you use it, you can basically select this Discord/command block, drop it in your canvas, and all you need to do is connect one of the channels that you have, select the channel you want to use the command for. So this is going to trigger your bot based on a slash command from Discord. So it's an on-demand block bot, very different than what we have today, which is every X minutes or triggered by something else. Um, and It's on a channel level, it's not on a server level. This is more aligned with how our bots work, so I hope you enjoy this. And Here, all you need to do after you select the channel, select the name of the command that you would like to create to call for this bot, and maybe add a little helpful text for people who are going to use. You, as a creator of the bot, setting that up will have added this command for your Discord, but anyone else that can do slash commands can access these bots and run them, right? So after you finish setting up your bot, after you put this block and create the bot you want to do, in this case here we are creating one that takes the top 5 coins based on market cap and sends back to the same Discord channel. But you could do something else. You could send to Twitter, Slack, whatever you want. You know, you could look at OpenSea floor price instead of top coins market cap. Make sure you save your bot after that and turn it on. Don't forget to do that because then otherwise you won't be able to call the command. Then if we go to Discord, there are 2 new commands here. One of them is going to help you to find out if you set up your bot properly. So slash commands available is going to tell you all the commands that you have set up for this channel. Again, it's channel specific, right? So here I have created 3 bots that are on at the moment for this specific channel. One of them is the one that I just showed you called top 5 coins. Then if you want to invoke that bot, all you need to do is press slash run, and then on the command, you put the name of the command of your that you created inside your block. Like here we said it's top 5 tokens, press enter, and it's gonna execute your bot and do whatever you want, which is the beauty of Boto. Cool. So this is all you need to know, but there's a little bit more in advanced case if you want to learn about it. Stay here for a little bit longer. So let's say you want to do that, but you also want to be able to do the slash command and pass a variable. So you can ask price of a specific token, price of BTC, or floor of a specific OpenSea collection. You can do that. And the way to do that is very simple. When you set up your bot, you do exactly the same that we just did on the other one, but then you can use the hashtag command argument from the Discord slash command block into any of the other blocks. So in this case here, we say we connect the Discord slash command into crypto to USD, and we put for the symbol we put command argument. And then on the help text we add a little information saying please add the token symbol as an argument when you're calling this command. Okay, so so again, if we go back to our Discord, now all we need to do is press run command. We call it price, but then the secret here is click on this +1 here and add an argument. And then you can add the token you want to have the price. So let's say Bitcoin, and then it's going to trigger your bot. It's going to give BTC to that bot and get that price. So just so you see, you know, so in this case we ask for Bitcoin, but let's say we want to get the price of something else. Um, Obvious suspect, Ethereum, and the bot was going to run exactly the same, but instead of getting the Bitcoin price, it's going to give you the Ethereum price. So this opens up a world of use case for you guys. I hope you're excited about this block as I am. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers.